Kenyatta, trying to belittle our leader, President Uhuru Kenyatta, telling Uhuru Kenyatta, oh, heal and move on. Let me tell you, wewe Bibi Ruto, Uhuru Kenyatta did not lose any contest to William Ruto. Uhuru Kenyatta just made one mistake. He decided to be decent, to be a decent leader, and hesitated to tell us kinagaubaga William Ruto ni nani. He was just speaking in parables that Ruto is not good for this country, but he never gave us details. If he gave us details, the ones I give the people of Kenya now, hakuna mtu ya Mlima Kenya angepigia Ruto kura. Kweli ama uongo? So don't say you defeated Uhuru Kenyatta. You are beneficiaries of his decency. He was just decent. He did